What up, YouTube? This is for all you eBay users. I'm going to show you the latest scams that are going on online. Let's call this the car audio scam. Get a good look at this guy here. He's got 22 feedbacks, right? Take a look at him here. Let's see, 99 cents here. Everything this guy buys is 99 cents here. What he's doing here, it's all this stuff right here that you see for sale. We got rims, radio equipment galore. Look at this. Look at this guy. Let's see. He's got a fake website here that's shut down. You call this number. He set up for a scam, and I was actually scammed by this guy in December. But back in the day, in December, he was under this account right here. Let's find it for you. Find it, pull it up right now. Let's see. This account right here. Sean Oliver. Let's pull up his old account real quick for you. There it is. Let's see. No longer registered user. This is the same guy under a different name, selling the same stuff. He had the same pictures before and everything. And I got this guy busted once before, and now he's back. So I'm taking him out again. His old name was Sean Oliver. 24200. Got a good look at that. And his new name now is Brit W. 22 feedbacks this fucking loser has. Take a good look at the stuff he's selling here. Trust me, this guy is a slime ball. All this stuff, so beware of this guy. His auctions end in a few days.